के अंदर लोन पेयर होता है ऑक्सीजन के पास और ऑक्सीजन पार्शियली नेगेटिव होती है। अब क्या होगा कि दूसरे अल्कोहल के साथ ये क्या करेगी, दूसरे अल्कोहल की हाइड्रोजन क्या है, पार्शियली पॉजिटिव है, तो क्या कर लेगी, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कर लेगी। सही है। तो ये जो है अल्कोहल आपस में जो है ना हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग करके रहते हैं। और अब अगर हम देखें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग की वजह से क्या होता है, मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या हो जाते हैं, हाई हो जाते हैं, हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। ठीक है। जैसे एक आपसे क्वेश्चन आता है कि वाई द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ methyl chloride हाइयर देन methyl chloride लोअर देन methyl अल्कोहल। ठीक है। हो सकता है इथाइल क्लोराइड और इथाइल अल्कोहल का कंपैरिजन आ जाए, तो आप कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे कि आप कहेंगे कि इसके अंदर कौन सी फोर्स होगी, डाइपोल फोर्सेस, और इसके अंदर क्या होगी, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगी। ठीक है। और डाइपोल फोर्सेस वीक होती है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रांग होती है, और जिसका स्ट्रांग इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स होगी वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट भी हाई हो जाएगा। ठीक है। तो ये आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन आता है। इसके अलावा देखें अल्कोहल को अगर आप देखेंगे ना, तो अल्कोहल के जो ये ऑक्सीजन है पार्शियली नेगेटिव है, और वाटर को अगर आप देखें तो वाटर कैसा होता है, तो वाटर में क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन पार्शियली पॉजिटिव होती है, तो वाटर के साथ भी क्या कर सकता है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बना सकता है। ठीक है। तो अब एक और क्वेश्चन लिख लें, वाई इज़ अल्कोहल सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, वाई इज़ अल्कोहल सॉल्युबल इन वाटर इन ऑल प्रोपोर्शंस, वाई इज़ अल्कोहल सॉल्युबल इन वाटर इन ऑल प्रोपोर्शन। क्या मतलब हुआ कि अगर आप वाटर को और अल्कोहल को मिक्स करें, ठीक है, मिसाल के तौर पर C2H5OH, वाटर और अल्कोहल को मिक्स करें तो क्या है कि हर प्रोपोर्शन में सॉल्युबल होते हैं। यानी आप ये 90% ले लें और ये 10% ले लें, यानी समझो कि ये 90 ml ले लें और इसको 10 ml ले लें तो भी मिक्स हो जाएगा। और इफ़ यू टेक दिस 10 ml and this one 90 ml, even then they are soluble. So whatever ratio you take, they are soluble in each other in all proportions. This is because of hydrogen bonding. सही है। This is why there is a huge variety of ethyl alcohol. जैसे आम ज़बान में हम शराब कहते हैं ना, इसकी बड़ी ह्यूज वैरायटी है। इससे कि आप पानी मिलाते चले जाएँ, मिलता चला जाएगा, सेपरेट भी नहीं होगा कि लेयर बन जाए। ठीक है। तो डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज़ आती हैं जिसकी वजह से कि जो है इसकी डिफरेंट प्राइसेस वगैरह भी होती हैं। बहरहाल, तो वाई इज़ इथाइल अल्कोहल सॉल्युबल इन वाटर इन ऑल प्रोपोर्शन, दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन इथाइल अल्कोहल एंड वाटर। ठीक है। और इसमें देखिएगा और कोई ख़ास बात आप लोगों को लगे तो इसमें पूछ लीजिएगा। इसका एक जो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है वो क्या आ सकता है कि वाई द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, why the boiling point of alcohols higher than the corresponding alkanes। ठीक है। Again this is because of hydrogen bonding present in alcohol and London dispersion forces present in alkane. So hydrogen bonding is stronger, so the boiling point of alcohol would be higher. So this is a very easy topic and you can do it yourself. Now if we come to the structure of alcohol, now the structure of alcohol. So structure of alcohol is resembles with oxygen with water. We studied it in the very beginning of this chapter. The structure is nearly the same. So oxygen is sp3 hybridized over here as it is hybridized in water, and it has how many lone pair? It has 2 lone pairs. It has 2 lone pairs as the lone pairs are in oxygen. We can also show the lone pairs over here. and hydrogen here. Okay? So because of the lone pair and lone pair repulsion, the bond angle is, in water it is 104 degree. So here the angle would be near about 104 degree. Okay? And it is a V-shaped structure or a bent structure, same as that of water. So the structure is also again very easy, and the oxygen and hydrogen bond is what? Polarized bond. Oxygen is partially negative, hydrogen is partially positive, and alkyl chain is also partially positive. So this is about, now we come to the acidic character of alcohol. Alcohol is very slightly acidic, even it is a weaker acid than water. Alcohol is slightly acidic. Now we come to the acidic character of alcohol. Acidity of alcohol. Acidity of alcohol is less than that of water. Okay? And why is it acidic? It is acidic because hydrogen is partially positive. This is why it is acidic. Okay? Now, if we want to prove that alcohol is acidic, how can we prove that alcohol is acidic? If we want to prove anything to be acidic, इसको ना तो सही करो शाबाश, पीछे से भी जाके सही करो तौसीफ शाबाश, जल्दी जल्दी इसका ना एक पैटर्न बना दो बेटा. If we want to prove something acidic, what can we do? We will react it with base. As a result, salt and water will be formed. If we want to prove something acidic, we would react with metal. We can also react it with metal. As a result, salt and hydrogen would be formed. Okay? So if we want to prove that it is acidic, we will react it with, first we react it with, for example, we react it with base. What would be formed? We will get RONA. Okay? We'll get RONA and water. So this RONA is what? Negative, and this is positive salt. What do we name it? How do we name it? First we name the positive part. Sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide is its name. So this is how we prove that alcohol is acidic. And another way of telling that it is acidic is we treat alcohol with sodium. Now acid, salt, acid, metal will give salt and water. RO negative, Na positive plus H2. Okay? H2 is hydrogen gas. So again it is proving that I am acidic. This because with active metal it is releasing hydrogen. This reaction is very common. For example, if we take alcohol, and in this alcohol if we drop a piece of sodium, for example, if we drop a piece of sodium, this red is a piece of sodium, then this reaction would happen and hydrogen gas would release. Sodium is very light, it floats, On water it floats, on alcohol it floats, it does not sink to the bottom. So this reaction would be formed, would be carried out, and we will see around the body of sodium metal piece, we will see fine drops of what? Hydrogen gas. Okay? This is a very good visual display. Hydrogen gas bubbling around the piece of sodium. So this reaction is also showing that alcohol is acidic in water. This reaction is also given by water. This reaction is also given by water. Had it been water, then what would happen? We will get NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Okay? But please don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Why? The reaction with water is explosive. Okay? And it is highly exothermic reaction. The hydrogen so formed catches fire. No, it is risky. It is risky. It catches fire. Even with very small pieces of sodium, it catches fire. Sodium is a soft solid. Soft solid. Yes, we have sodium. It is a very soft solid. It is always kept. Potassium is even softer, but potassium is also much more reactive than sodium. It is very dangerous. It is not easy to handle with. Now this was about the acidity of alcohol. Now we come to the preparation of alcohol. जी आपको अगली क्लास में बढ़िया ना, अगली से बढ़िया ना, सही. अब next is what? Preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol, and first method is preparation of alcohol. First method is from alkene. तो हम इसको अल्कीन से बनाते हैं. When we prepare it from alkene, what we do? We react the alkene with what? Sulfuric acid. CH2 double bond CH2. We reacted with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is what? We can write it as HSO4. This positive and this partially negative. What would happen? The bond would be broken and we will get CH2 and one part would get positive part and the other part would get HSO4 part. ठीक है? जी H2SO4 में यहाँ से ही रिएक्शन हुआ, ये पार्ट ब्रेक हुआ. ठीक है? Pi bond opens and one carbon gets H and other carbon gets HSO4 negative. Now in the next step we get HCH3 and CH2. It can be written as OSO3H. ठीक है? HSO4. It is written like this. ठीक है? Now in the next step we boil it with water, partially positive, partially negative, and partially positive. Electronegativity of oxygen is higher than sulfur. So what would happen? what would we get? We will get CH3, CH2 and O, and we will get SO3H. So this part would break as negative. It would take positive of hydrogen. And this part would break as positive. It would get negative of hydrogen. What is it? Sulfuric acid. Okay? Now this reaction is again what we studied in chapter 16, but we just change it a bit. Had it been propene, अगर देखो ये propene होता, then it is asymmetric. It is asymmetric. Sulfuric acid is again asymmetric. Now the Marconi-Koof rule will apply. Because of the Marconi-Koof rule, the negative part would go where the hydrogen are less. Marconi-Koof rule says what? Whenever asymmetric reagent is added to asymmetric alkene, the negative part goes to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So now what would happen? We will get CH3, CH, and the pi bond is broken. Now the negative part would go to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. Okay? We'll get this thing. Now if we write this, just you have to keep in mind, in this reaction you have to keep it in mind that if the alkene is asymmetric, you will have to bear in mind the Marconi-Koof rule. Okay? Now what we have? CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH